Hello guys, and welcome to another video about the mixing with Valcata 321. I'm doing the reconstruction mixing. I've done the previous video, the first one with the drums, and now I'm doing the second one with the bass and the guitars. So let's get right to it. This is the Studio One session from my mixing. So what I've done here is the let me show you. So we have the bass DI, we have guitars recorded with Bogner and Friedman amps. So these guitars, this is straight from the DI, and I've done some processing using some bass emulation, and these are the Bogner's guitars, and the Friedman guitars have been recorded by a great friend of mine, Stianos, using the Helix from the Line 6, which is, to me, sounds very good. So let's start with the bass. Okay, let me open the mixer. I have guitars, and I have guitars here and the bass. So what I've done here to the bass, actually, the bass DI sounds very good by itself, so just use that. And I think no, actually, what I've done to that is, let me think. Okay, so I just printed that. I've used the emulation from the actually from the Easy Mix, I think Metal Gods or something. And what I've done to that, I just used that preset from the Easy Mix, and then I've used the clip, the JST clip over here. As of the guitars, I've done something different. So we really played with my friend, with the guitarist, my friend Stianos. We played a lot with the sounds. He sent me, because all the project of Valcata has been produced online. So me as a producer, I've accepted all the different recordings for all the different players, and then I put them all together, and I decided which one sounds better. I think we ended up using the Friedmans and the Bogners. So the original Bogner is this one. As you see, I've done a little bit of processing using an EQ here from the Janissary EQ, but I have done nothing on the Bogner itself, because this is how it sounds like. So this is just the original recording of that, and let's listen how it sounds, the Friedman. So they sound almost identical. They sound identical, but I think Friedman has a bit of more, slightly more high mid-range frequencies and a bit more high-end than the Bogner, at least to my ears. I think Bogner has mid frequencies as well. I think Friedman is a bit more scooped, but they really complement each other in a way that I've really liked it. So whatever something is missing from one, the other one is add up. So I think very it's a very nice combination of these two. So both of them are really complement each other. So that's why I used those two. What I've done though, I use a bass for these two. As you see, there are stereo guitars recording. These are the stereo guitar recordings. Sorry about that. And I use the bass, and I've used the Aosis EQ, which I've searched for a frequency because something was bothering me. So just killed that frequency by 1 dB. Just not, it wasn't a kill actually, it was just an injury. So yeah, well, what I've done with that was like, I used the highest Q that EQs can give me, and then I took it down by 1 dB, and then I've used the clip from JST just to give that extra you know, bit of just to keep it there, and control all the transients and everything, just because anyway, in theory all the distorted electric guitar sounds, they're already compressed, so just use that clip, which is really helpful actually. Just 2 dots over here, I've seen that only 2 dots on that JST clip, they're doing the magic. So yeah, that's it. So I think you can figure out what is happening, and let's enable the master bass, and let's put them all together. Let's add the drums in the equation. Let's put the drums in. So let's listen what we've done so far. So in the previous video we've seen the drums. Let's enable the processing. Yep, let's enable the processing on everything. And we have the bass and the guitars. So let's listen how everything sounds like. Cool. This is how the song sounds up till this stage with the drums, the bass and the guitars. So the next video comes in and we're going to check the strings and the electronics and then the vocals. So I'll see you on the next video. So please subscribe, share, ring that bell button, ask any questions you may have. I'll get back to you as soon as possible, and I hope I see you in the next video, guys. Cheers. Thank you.